Welcome back to another episode, family. Afro Senpai here. Today we are getting into how much I make as a very small YouTuber, as well as how to check your own monetization status. Let's go. As you can see, I'm on my dashboard here, looking at the amount of subs. So you should already know I'm making $0. But I wanted to walk you through where you can check to see how close you are to actually monetizing your channel. So while at the dashboard, we're going to go over to monetization, and it's going to show you how many subs you have and how many hours watched. And I thought you just needed 4,000, but apparently it's over 4,000 within a 12-month cycle. So even though we're not monetized yet, my goal for the future, again, I've talked about this before, speaking things into existence. In the next 5 years, I see myself finally monetizing this channel. So again, making $0.00 as of right now, but the future for this channel, our community, can only go up. And I'm looking forward to growing with everybody. And that's going to do it for this one, folks. Please remember to take care of yourself and each other. And remember to smile because you are beautiful. Peace.